Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with UPS or apps at 2026. So use Shopify's built-in apps or UPS integration that's career calculated shipping. So Shopify supports UPS career calculated shipping rates at checkout and lets you connect your own UPS account so your negotiated rates can appear to customers. Okay, so the requirements are a UPS account with an account number, sometimes called the shipper number, and Shopify Advanced or Plus plan or the career calculated shipping add-on enabled on Grow or Shopify plan. Career calculated shipping lets Shopify call UPS's live rate services and return accurate UPS rates during checkout. So at first, how to connect UPS to Shopify? You will need at first to create and prepare your UPS account. So you will need at first to go to the UPS website, right? And right there you will need to sign up for a business UPS account if you don't have one. So you'll need to click on the logo right here, and after that just go with login, then sign up. So you will need to fill in the first and last name, email, the country code and the number, your phone number, username, password, then just checkmark that option and agree to the UPS tariff, terms and conditions of service, and then just go with sign up. And remember that you will need to sign up with a business account. If you already have a business account, you will need just to connect it to the Shopify. So to do that, you will need to open your Shopify admin and right then just go with the settings. After that, just go and click on shipping and delivery option on the left hand menu. So you will need to scroll down just right here, and then you will find an option on enable third-party calculated rates at checkout. You will find inside that option an option or that section an option it says career accounts. So you will need just to click connect accounts next to UPS, and you will be redirected to UPS to log in, and after sign in, enter your UPS account and the shipper number and submit. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.